Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. Yesterday, what I'm telling, Oracle is a relational data model product. SQL Server is a relational data model product. MySQL is a relational data model product. DB2 is a relational data model product. But why is these products are very easy means these products having a mainly three components. One is collection of database objects. Another one is set of operators are there in those objects. Sorry, those are okay, products. Another one is what? A set of integrated rules. This is very, very important. I told you. Yeah. Now, really, this is correct or not? Databases works based on import set of rules are not checked out. Today is the last demo class. Just observe it here. Very, very important common concept or rules I will tell you today. Now check it out. Observe it here. Suppose your imagination like I'm working in a company, for example. I'm an employee means I want to work with the what Oracle database means my database administrator giving a what some username and passwords. Don't worry. Just your imagination, you are a first time newcomer. Scott is an employee is there. For example, okay, user this one, but employee is there, your imagination. Scott is a user. In that Scott user, one table is available. For example, this one you are telling me is really great. Maybe some fellows are Java programmers in our class, they are guessing, I think. Now observe it here. This is a database. Within a database, one user is there, for example. Scott is a user. In that user, one table is available. For example, this is Oracle Corporation giving, don't worry, EMP table is there. Observe it here. Scott is a user is there. I am working in an employee. Okay, so now Scott is a user. In that user, really, what is the user also? You don't have an idea, but just imagination. In that Scott user, which table is available? EMP table is available. Now observe it here. I'm opening a what? Another session. Here, another user is available. For example, my name Murali. What is this user? You don't have an idea, just imagination like this. This is a Murali user is available. Okay, na? Yeah, this is a Murali. Slowly observe it here, very interesting. User means you don't have any employee, for example, up to some stage you have to imagination employee or user. Scott user, which table is there? EMP table is there. Murali user also working in a where in a company. You are also, I am also working in a where under these users only in a company side. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Now, Murali user try to access a what? Scott user EMP table possible or not possible? Maybe guess it anybody? This Murali user try to access a what? Scott user table. Suppose select star from table name EMP. Possible or not possible? Very good. So many fellows are telling really great. No, not possible. Really not possible. Okay, very good. Not possible. Scott user having a what table EMP and in a database also another user is there. That user directly cannot access a what that another user table. Impossible. Impossible. Really correct. Murali user unable to access a what Scott user table. Okay. Yeah. Now I am trying to use a what select star from EMP under Murali user. It won't work. It will give say error. Error. Very good. Error. Okay. Yeah. Table or view does not exist. Now, but actually project means so many users are working in a same under same project means sometimes they are using a what one user table into where another user. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, access is not there. Okay, yeah. Now, in this case, error, okay, in a relational database also. But unfortunately, in this case, Murali user wants to add a what a Scott user table compulsory. Okay, for example, then one chance is there. What is that chance means? If Murali user requesting a what EMP table access for that Scott user means Murali user requesting, please give me, could you please give me permission or access for your table into where me only for accessing a water data. Whenever Murali user may be a vocation of requesting a what Scott user table. In this case, Scott user maybe their request okay, giving a permission. Giving a permission means in a databases, grant is a command is there. Observe here, grant. Some command is there. Don't worry, these commands in a future you are familiar. To Murali user. Observe here. Suppose observe here. Some command is there. That command through they are giving a permission. Grant. Scott user giving a grant. Which table means the table to Murali user. Okay, na? Yeah. If Murali user requesting a what? Requesting to access or manipulate data within a where that table, then maybe that Scott user giving a permission. Maybe, unfortunately, maybe they are giving a permission. Grant. Here, grant is succeeded or not? Yes. Now this is a Murali user. Now Murali user try to access a what a Scott user table. Possible or not possible? Now grant is succeeded. Now possible or not possible? Anybody? Select star from EMP. Here, red color. Observe here. Now they are typing a what Murali user select star from EMP. What is select? You don't have an idea, but possible or not possible? Very good. I am also here also thinking a what. Oh, nothing is there possible because grant is succeeded. We are thinking. But unfortunately not possible. That is the beauty of the database. That's why I'm telling. Now you are observed here. Yes, not possible. What is this one? Here grant is succeeded also not possible means what is the use? What is going on here? So many fellows are not understandable. Here in this case, every database, not only Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, one user table, they are giving a permission to where another user also grant is succeeded also. In this case, Murali user unable to access. Error. What is this one? Error. Again, still error. Yes, here, observed here, error, table or view does not exist. What is this one? If they are giving a word permission, grant is succeeded is a message. Okay, they are unable to access means what is the use? What is this one? What is going on? So many fellows are confusing only. That is the importance in a way database. Here, really, grant is succeeded. Really, grant is succeeded. But this user, Murali user, unable to access. Why? Because they doesn't know database rules. That's why maybe they are unable to access. What the database rule means? Very, very important. Suppose Scott user having a procedure, for example, in a project side procedures are there, okay, most of the time. Now another user, Murali user, yes, giving a Scott user giving a permission to execute a what procedure in where Murali user means, then they try to access a what that procedure directly means it won't work. Which user giving a what a procedure permission that username dot object name we are using, they're only working. That is the rule. That's why you have to follow the rules. In this case, EXEC procedure name Scott giving a what procedure. That's why Scott dot procedure name working. Very, very important. That's why in a database object, they are giving a permission also. Which user giving a permission that username dot object name, they're only working. Otherwise, not working. That is a rule. Very, very important. That rule you don't have an idea. Grant is succeeded. Yes, you are operating a what database means impossible. These type of problems are there. That's why you are a good professional means yes, you must follow the rules. Now, what is the rule? Here in this case, table also, yes, here tables, you have an idea, maybe at roughly, and now here the table is a database object. Yes, in this case, Murali, okay, Scott user giving a permission to where Murali user also, Murali user allowed to access a what? By using a what? Username dot object name. Otherwise, it won't work. That is the rule. That's why yesterday I told no, relational data model products are works based on rules. Suppose I'm thinking you are thinking grant is succeeded also, we are failure because we are unable to follow the rules. That's why you are a good professional means you have to follow the rules. Observe here, select a star from here, which one? EMP or Scott.emp? Very good, Scott.emp. Working, now working. Username dot object name, which user has given permission into the where that username dot object name, otherwise it won't work. Otherwise it won't work. Okay, yeah, username dot object name. Now it is working. Yes, working. How much beautiful. Now it is working. Now here check it out. Yes, observe it here. Possible or not possible? That's why relational data model products are works based on set of rules or not. Yes, here observe it here. Now understood or not? Yes, here. That's why always relational data model products are works based on set of rules. Username dot object name. That's why in a real-time project said update username dot object name is available. Okay. In this case, example update Scott.emp. Delete from Scott.emp. Select some star from Scott.emp. Something is there. Okay, outside we are practicing purpose. In a real time, username dot object name is available or not? Yes, here they are giving a permission also. Accessing means which user allowed to give the permission that username dot object name. There is a rule is there or not? Yes. Okay, fine. Understood? That's why relational database model products are works based on set of rules. Why I am telling what that rules means, observe here. Concentrate. Today very important. Suppose you are working in a project. For example, you are joining in a company today. Maybe after 15 days or 20 days after, they are assigning the project. Don't worry. But unfortunately, in your project, you are observing what Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL, any relational data model products also. Master table is a concept is there. Child table is a concept is there. What is that one? You don't have an idea means you are unable to handle the project. It's impossible. What is the first rule means? Today I will tell you very, very, very important rule. In every relational database products, main transactions are stored in a where master table. Main transactions are stored in master table. Observe here. Related child transactions are stored in a where detail table or child table. Observe here, very important. Related child transactions are stored in a where child table or detail table, either in MySQL projects, otherwise Oracle projects or anything. Observe here. Again, I'm telling very important rule. This one, this is compulsory you are learning. Mandatory. Anybody working in a way in a relational data model products, compulsory this terminology is there. Main transactions are stored in a where master table. Related child transactions are stored in a where which table? Child table. But today you don't have an idea master and child tables. But unfortunately, today I will show you two tables. Oracle Corporation giving a practice purpose, and also you are attending interviewer also asking what interview questions based on those tables. That's why today I am embedded that those tables only. Oracle Corporation giving our two tables. In those two tables, which one is a master, which one is a child? Anybody guessing means in our class? Great, really. Without any knowledge. Then what is master, what is child, why they are giving means observe it here. I will tell you. Observe it here. One table is there, very big table, Oracle Corporation giving. EMP is a table is there. This table stores a what? Employee details. Okay, practice purpose, they are providing at this table. This is a big table. EMP is a table, they are providing only employee number, name, job, MGR, hire date. Hire date means joining date, the MGR means manager number, salary, commission, department number. Some columns are there, don't worry. Again, another table they are giving a what? I will show you. Now here a DEPT is another table they are giving, department table. This is a small table they are providing. EMP is a very big table they are providing. Maybe the table stores a what? Employee details, Oracle Corporation providing, practice purpose. DEPT is a table they are providing only, that is a department table. This is a small table. Okay. These two tables are popular tables in a worldwide. Okay, yeah. Now I will show you those tables. But which table is a master, which table is a child, you are guessing means great. What is a master, what is child up to now? Why I am not telling means like that. Okay, this purpose only. I'm asking. Then you are guessing means great. Observe here. Select means don't worry. Just EMP table is there, big table. This is a big table is there. How many columns are there? Counted. These are called columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 columns are available. Okay. Yeah. Department. 8 columns are available. Why I am telling a what that slowly, that columns means write a query which count number of columns from EMP table intro question. In the future, you are also writing a queries. Employee number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number. Okay, roughly. First time you don't have an idea, this much of knowledge only. Just observe it here. How many columns are there? 8 columns. How many rows are there? At least observe it here. Rows. Rows means this one. This is called row. This is called row. This is called row. This is called row. Row or record. How many rows are there? 14 rows are there. Okay. Yeah. That's why EMP is a employee table, or this table stores a employee details, employee number, his name and the job of that employee, his manager and joining date, salary of that employee, he is taking any bonus or not. Yes, yes, he belongs to any department. Some details they are giving. Okay, yeah. Suppose Smith is an employee, his employee number is 7369, his job is not a software engineer, clerk only, his manager something, okay, his joining date, here, higher salary he's getting, and also bonus, okay, he's not getting, and he belongs to 20th department. Suppose you are joining in a company also, your details are stored in a database, don't worry. Okay, na? Yeah. Again, okay, how many columns are there? 8 columns. How many rows are there? 14 rows. Now observe here. Oracle Corporation giving a what? Another table, small table, which is used to store department details. Here, DEPT is a table. Observe it here. Don't worry. Okay. Now here, DEPT table, original table I'm taking only. I'm deleting what some data because another class is right. Okay. Here this EMP table. Now another table. What is the table? DEPT table. Select a star from DEPT like this. Department table. Maybe this is a DEPT is a department table. EMP table. Slowly I'm telling only 1 minute. You are observing. I think these tables, data also you are familiar. That much of powerful in a future. But roughly today, first time no demo classes right. DEPT is a table I'm showing. This is a small table. How many columns are there? Only 3 columns are available. Department number, department name and location. Now check it out. Yeah. Department number, department name and location. And also number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of rows, right? 10th department accounting, New York, Dallas, Chicago, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, they are not giving. Why? Because Oracle Corporation, the software is implemented in a California. Those American locations only they are providing. Okay, their own interest because their software that one. Okay, na? Yeah, demo side. Okay. Okay, 1 minute you are observing slowly. I'm telling again, repeating. I'm telling only why because these tables are very important in the future. Now guess it. Anybody guess it in our class? EMP is a master table or DEPT is a master table? DEPT is a master table or EMP is a master table? EMP is a child table or DEPT is a child table? Or DEPT is a child table or EMP is a child table? Only one answer is correct. Anybody guess it? Guess it logically. Maybe some experienced persons are there in our class. That's why. Very good, Mahapatra. You are telling 100% correct. Anybody? Another fellow straight? EMP is a master or DEPT is a master, DEPT is a master, EMP is a master. Confusing. What is master also? I'm not telling, but just roughly entertainment purpose. Guess it. Which one is a master? Which one is a child? Because in a project side, main transactions are stored in a master table, and those related transactions are stored in a where child table in a where in a relational data model parts. Not only Oracle, but database. That is a rule. Project oriented rule. This one. One fellow is telling. Now, another fellow tell me. EMP is a master and DEPT is a child, or DEPT is a master or EMP is a child. Only one answer is correct. Fast. Guess it. Not a problem. Anything, tell me. Entertainment purpose. Very good. So many fellows are telling Murali sir, nothing is there. EMP is a master table. Why you are asking what so many times? EMP is a master and DEPT is a child. Nothing is there. Okay, so no, they are telling 100% wrong one. That's why I'm asking slowly. EMP is a master is a wrong one. DEPT is a child is a wrong answer. EMP is not a master table. Why so many students in a Java class also attending a what? So many our class students, those persons are telling a what? Why EMP is a master? Wrong answer they are telling me. Maybe size based they are telling. Oh, maybe EMP is a very big table. Maybe like this only. Maybe imagination. I am also first time I am also thinking like that. Oh, maybe EMP is a master. Why? Because EMP is a what? A size based only. This is a big size. That's why master means big size only. Yes, a child means a small size. Child means small. Okay, so small size is there. No, that's why here this is a DEPT is a child table. EMP is a master table. They are child. Sorry. Size based only they are thinking. Absolutely wrong one. Don't tell size based only. So many fellows are first time I am also mistaken in whenever I am working in a company side. If some fellows are asking me, I don't know really. Size based only I am telling. Because I am a first time newcomer, pressure level I am selected. Okay, yeah, that's the problem. And now check it out, observe here. That's why my entertainment side, I am asking only. Now, so many fellows are telling in our class, great. DEPT is a master table, 100% correct. Why means I will tell you, don't worry. Reasons also I will tell you. DEPT is a master table. Anybody guessing first time newcomer, really great. Not only logical side, technical side, this one I will tell you. DEPT is a master table. Really correct. DEPT is a master. EMP is a what? A child table. EMP is a what? Child table. Why? What is the reason? What is master and child table later? Okay, first at least how you are given the guarantee. This is a master, this is a child means I will tell you. Techniques I will tell you. Because relational data model means techniques is important. Rules is important. Okay, na? Slowly observe it here. Slowly observe it here. In these two tables, any common column is there. Any common column is there. Very slowly I am telling only this concept because you are observation purpose only. Because first time no. In these two tables, anybody tell me which one is a common column? Very good. One fellow is telling correct. DEPT is a number is a common column. DEPT number, department number is available. First, we have to check it out. How you are given the guarantee this is a master and a child means any common column is there or not, check it out first. Here department number is a column is there. Again another column is what? Department number is there. This based only master and child I will tell you. First common column you have to check it out. Okay na? Yeah, very good. Katyayini Adabala, you are telling correct. Okay. Department number. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Don't write it. Don't write it. Here 1 minute observe it here. EMP department number 20, 30, 30, 20, 30, 30 like this. In a DEPT table, department number 10, 20, 30 something. Okay. Now observe here. Concentrate. At least 3 minutes concentrate today. Enough. Concentrate. Now you are understandable. Suppose this is a DEPT table. I am trying again. Why? Because you are a first time newcomer. Very, very important role in a database, a relational database. This rule only. Observe it here. DEPT. This is you are remembering me. So many tasks you are achieving only in a future. Observe it here. Department number, D name, and location. These are the columns. Okay, fine. In EMP table is there, but I am not interested to draw the where all the columns. Not required. Okay, some columns enough because you are a first time newcomer. All the columns, all the data you are viewing me is confusing. Okay, EMP. I am not interested to write all the columns only. Okay, na? Yeah. Some columns I try to write E name like this. Okay, fine. DEPT number. Yes. Yes, in these two tables, which one is a common column? This is a common column. This common column based, they are establishing a relation. You are also establishing a relation in a relational database tables. Don't worry. Yeah. Now, this table having establishing a relation between the tables by using a common column also. Common columns data, observe it here. This is data. Okay, na? Yeah. What the data means? Screen observe it. Just observe it here. Data observe it here. One minute, don't worry. Now observe it here. Here, data observe it here. In this DEPT table, 10, how many times are there? Only one time. Slowly observe it here, data. 10, again 10, again 10, again 10, again 10, again 10, not available. Duplicate data is not available. 10 is available only one time. You are observing or not? Observe here. This is a key concept. Master and child table. Common column based data observed here. 10 is one time, 20 is one time, 30 is one time, 40 is one time. That's why whenever common columns are there, in those common columns in a relational data model side, one column does not accept any duplicate data. That column is also called as primary key. Very important. That's why relational databases different. Primary key, foreign key, some concept based. Don't worry. Primary key means unique identification of the record in a table. Suppose you are purchasing a vehicle, invoice number they are giving. That invoice number is a primary key. Your invoice number, another fellow invoice number, not same. Duplicate is not there. Suppose I am also, you are also going to bank, you are taking a, I am taking a what account number, means your account number and my account number not same. That is why, because there is a primary key. Primary key value, unique identification of the record in a table. Duplicate data is not there. Okay, that much of knowledge you don't have an idea also. Yes, 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. Duplicate data is not there. That's why there is a primary key. Okay, yeah. Again observe it here, again observe it here, again observe it here. But EMP table department number not like that. Duplicate data is there 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30. So much of duplicate data is there. More than one time repeated. Whenever in a common columns are there, in that common column duplicate data is there. That common column is also called as foreign key. This is a department number, foreign key. What is foreign key? Means establishing a relation between the tables. But duplicate data is there. Don't worry, just observe it. Oh, maybe without any knowledge, primary key means duplicate data is not there. Foreign key, some concept is there. That is duplicate data is available. Okay, na? Yeah. Now in a table which having a what, a primary key, that table have is also called as master table. That's why deep it is a master. This is a master table for which child table? Yes, this is a master table for EMP child table, not other tables. That's why this is a master table. Primary key is available. That table is also called as master table. Again, EMP department number is a what? 2010 duplicate data is there. Foreign key is there. Foreign key table is also called as what? Child table. Very good. Here, this is a what? A child table. Foreign key. This is foreign key table also called as child table. That is a child table for which master table? DEPT master table. Okay. Child table or detail table. Based on foreign key, this is a child table. Okay, na? And now here observe here. Okay, yeah. Now observe here again. Understood this one? Yes. So many fellows are guessing. Great. Now check it out. This is a master table, child table. Okay. In a relational data model product side, master and child table, they are giving in a project. Okay. Project side. Okay. Up to now, you don't have an idea. So observe here. What is the use of this one? Why they are giving this one? Means main transactions are stored in a master table. Those related transactions are stored in a where? Child table. I'm agree. Suppose you are joining in a company. Your main transaction is stored in a master table. You are working in a which project, which okay, area. Those all the details are stored in a child table. Don't worry. Now screen observe it. Why they are establishing a relationship between tables in a relational data model products in a some stage only. Means senior most employees establishing a relation, not you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, you are a first time newcomer. What is the reason behind that one? Why they are giving a what? A every project side master and a child tables in a relational data model products means data security point of view. What type of data security means? Observe it here. Screen observe it. Very important. This one you are telling me is great. Suppose this is a master table is there. Observe it here. This is a master table records. This color is a records, for example. Why they are establishing a relationship between tables means the reason is there. Whenever we are establishing a relationship between tables, master and child tables are there means two rules are violated by those tables. One is deletion from master table, deletion from master table. Another one is insertion in child table. Insertion in child table. What is this one? Slowly, without any knowledge also, you are also understandable this one. Now check it out. What are the rules? Deletion from master table and another one is what? Insertion in a child table. Now check it out. Suppose I am a data entry operator. This is a master and child table they are giving in a project. I don't know anything. I try to delete a what? Delete means remove. Okay, I try to delete a what? 10th department from DEPD table. Possible or not possible? Anybody guess? I try to remove the what? This 10th department record from master table. Possible or not possible? Very good. Not possible. So many fellows are guessing. Really great. You are great. First time newcomer. Great. That is a security. Not possible. Why? Because this record is available in a where? Child table. Here, observe here. Child table. That is a data security point of view. Impossible. Error. When we are trying to delete a master table record from master table, if those records are available in a child table, it won't work. It will give us a error. Okay, na? Yeah. Very good. If you are interested to delete that record, suppose I am joining in a company, my master table records are stored in a master table. After 6 months or 1 year, I am interested to resign my job. Why? Because software field means anybody giving a more salaries, every person jumping only. This is business. Now I am interested to get a more salary means I am interested to jump. That is a software criteria. Don't worry. Whenever I am interested to jump into where another company, okay, suppose for example, I am resigning this company job only, I am jumping into where, joining into where, decided to joining into another company means my details are not required, more details are not required in a way to maintain because I am resigning job. That's why, yes, senior most some designers are interested to delete my records in a master table. Whenever they try to delete a what a master table record, my records in a master table means it won't work because my related child table records are available in a child table. But I am resigning also. Why they are putting a what my records into where that a table those tables not required really. They are interested to delete means one thing they are doing only. One is what is that one means? Observe here, observe here. They want to delete my record means first they are deleting a what child table records. Child table records they are deleting in a child table. Then only they are allowed to delete a what those records from master table. Possible or not? Yes, possible. That is the criteria. Otherwise, on delete cascade is a clause they are providing only. Don't worry. That's why that is the reason when we are trying to delete a master table record from master table, if those records are available in child table means error or not? Yes. I will show you practically. Don't worry. Next, another rule. What is another rule means? Now here, check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out here. Concentrate here. Concentrate, concentrate here. I am asking what one question today. What is that one means? Observe here. Suppose here 10, 20, 30, 40 is their master table. I try to load a what? A 90 is a department number in a child table. Possible or not possible? Maybe guess it roughly without any knowledge. I try to insert a what? A 90 is a department number in a child table, EMP table. Possible? Very good. So many fellows are guessing. Really great. You are great without any knowledge. Impossible. Why? Because always foreign key values based on primary key values only. This 90 is not available in a where? In a table only. That's why here, master table, this 90 is not there. 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. That's why error. Very good. Correct. These type of rules are there in every database, relational database. But these type of tables, how we are creating means in a future, don't write it. Create table, master. Okay, you are a good SQL programmer means. Don't write it. These are just observe it here. These type of things, okay, in a sometimes in a project side. Here primary key is there. No? These type of things purpose you are learning about courses. And now observe it here. Don't write it here. One possible. Again, one possible. No. Duplicate data not possible in a primary key error. Here two possible. Here three possible. Now select the star from master. 1, 2, 3 is there or not? Yes. Now child table you are creating in a future. Okay, you are learning a course. Now observe here. Yes. Some coding is there. Don't worry. These codings we are learning only. Now in this case, I try to insert a what in a child table 90. Possible? No, not possible. Why? Because 90 is not available. 4 is not available in a child table. Parent key not found. Error. No? Parent means master. Now I try to insert a what here. Observed here. 1 possible. Yes. Again 1 possible. Duplicate data possible. 1. Observed here 1. Here 2. Here 2. Here 3. Here 3. Like this. That's why here observed here. Select a star from master. 1, 2, 3. Again select a star from child like this. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Now I try to delete a master table record, delete from master table where S number is equal to 1. These are all the things we are learning one of these days. Okay, in chapter 5. Error? No? Yeah, error. Here child record found. That's why I am telling about struggling about these type of things means relational data model products are works based on what? A set of rules. That's why without rules, we are unable to handle the what projects. So, okay, na? Yeah, very good. Vijay, you are telling correct. Mahapatra, you are telling correct. Okay, na? Yeah, up to this one. Demo classes are completed enough. Okay, because daily so many things we are telling me say name of demo also. Today we are up to today enough, I think, demo classes. Next class onwards, we are starting a regular classes. Okay, na? Don't worry, these are all the things. Just observe it here. First class Monday, I will tell you that is better because first time Saturday not required. Okay, na? Monday will continue. Okay, na? Thank you. Monday is the first class only. What is tools are there? What is that one? Those are all the things I will tell you. Original classes. Okay, yeah. Up to today is a demo classes. Monday onwards, we are starting regular sessions. Thank you so much for attending these classes. Monday will continue. Thank you. Tomorrow there is no class. Monday will continue. Okay, na? Yeah. At least idea purpose this one. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow Monday will continue.